County, northeastern Morris County, west central Waubonsee County, until 8 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dwight, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alta Vista, Dwight, and Holland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for east central Kansas.
My goodness, give me a break, Keith. Give me a break, WXK91.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dickinson County and central Kansas, southwestern Erie County, until 8 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Enterprise, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters reported quarter-size hail in Enterprise. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Junction City, Chapman, Enterprise, and Moonlight.
The sun was born.
This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 280 and 297.
And we celebrate the New Year's
For your
on the
protection,
15th.
move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for central and east central Kansas.
What do you want?
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Waubonsee County until 8 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Alma, moving north at 15 miles.
Oh, I'm not gonna catch a break, am I?
Hazards include ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alma, McFarland, and Texaco. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 324 and 335. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for east central Kansas. Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lee County in northeastern Kansas, Potawatomi County in northeastern Kansas, southwestern Nemaha County in northeastern Kansas, southern Marshall County in northeastern Kansas, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles south of Onega to near Westmoreland to 3 miles southeast of Tuttle Creek Lake, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Westmore, Blaine, Onega, Oldsburg, Emmett, Maysville, Wheaton, Tuttle Creek Lake, and Lewis. For your protection, room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northeastern Kansas.
Is it tornado? Yep, tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued...
Oh my gosh, tornado warning with a baseball size hail.
Southeastern Potawatomi County in northeastern Kansas.
What?
Southwestern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas. Until
Let me look at Tornado HQ.
at 8:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Maple Hill, moving north.
That is even more close to Topeka!
Expected
Oh no!
tornado and baseball-sized
I
hail.
feel like that is headed
This is a
to
radar-indicated
Roseville.
threat.
Is that a Rossville?
You have another reason to smile.
Trying to get an FM station to see if it's gonna go off.
Dude, this is insane.
Not how you do.
Save big money on clear.
Back in 2013. Plus,
Oh! I got a new station! Andrew just picked up a new station!
Oh
The National
Country Rewind!
Topeka has issued a tornado warning for northwest.
One enforcement reports ping pong ball size hail. Beautiful. Oh my god, another one!
no! What the frick?
KACZ FM.
Okay, I'm kind of getting a little freaked out about the weather.
Another one?
Warning for northwestern Shaw.
Oh my god, 3,
Northwest
4,
Bonsi.
5,
Difficult to see.
and C! And 6!
Do not
That's 7 in a row!
take cover now.
That is actually crazy right now. So they were relaying a message right now.
There goes.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for central Waubonsee County until 9 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near McFarland, moving northeast.
There goes
The
Wildcat.
National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for central Waubonsee County.
70.
Thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near McFarland, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter.
No way.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Taken off again by the emergency alert system here in about the next 15 seconds. But again, that new tornado warning
Oh,
now out for central Waubonsee until 9 o'clock tonight.
Oh my god,
Located
no.
Near
They're
McFarland.
coveraging it.
Mitch Fortner, Stephen Schaefer with you. We step aside once again to participate in the emergency alert system.
there goes Sunny.
Oh my god.
This is no joke. I'm actually gonna capture. I'm gonna actually beat out a new record.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for central Waubonsee. At 8:26 p.m.,
Yeah, Country Rewind's not activating.
20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Are indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Also, if you don't know what 3-inch hail looks like, I measured it.
Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur.
If you don't know what 3-inch hail looks like, it looks like a size of a
Locations
teacup.
impacted include Alma, McFarland, and
The
Texaco.
rotation is becoming
This
strong.
includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 328 and 342. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service
For Jackson and Shawnee.
warning for northwestern Shawnee County, south central Jackson County, and northeastern Kansas until 9:15 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., a confirmed tornado was near Rossville, moving northeast at 20
Yeah, I'm
miles
sorry,
per
but you
hour.
gotta stop the music again.
Expected hazards included a damaging tornado
There
and
it is.
baseball-sized hail. A tornado has been confirmed by trained spotters near Rossville.
Oh, it's
Following it,
that's near Rossville.
flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
I think it just hit Rossville. I just saw it on radio.
He wants to take pictures like Mike.
I think it already hit the city.
Uh-oh. What now, Kansas?
Oh my god.
Come on.
So I'm looking at the, and again, we don't know if this tornado is still on the ground or not, but the rotation is now north of Rossville.
Sorry to jump in here. A new tornado warning.
Emergency
It is
management
Sunny's
report.
with Sunny's information.
Morning.
Emergency
So my job now is just
management reports hail of teacup size, 3-inch hail of baseball size hail.
those of y'all that are outside, please seek shelter immediately. For those of y'all, I don't know, traveling for any
Baseball-sized hail. Weather spotters have confirmed this tornado near Rossville. The tornadic thunderstorm, for the most part,
See,
according to this
oh my
update, will
God.
remain mainly over rural areas of northwestern
Come on, will you stay? Will you?
Shawnee and South Central
Ah.
Jackson counties. Of course, that is.
Okay.